Bitcoin has soared above $21,000, eliminating all shorts guys. Polygon is joining the world leaders to create a better Web3, and billionaire investors are entering XRP, betting on beating the SEC. You're on the Make Money channel. Let's figure it all out. Bitcoin's bullish sentiment has fully proved itself, as the asset has overcome several key support points, recording a 23% rise in the last 7 days and a 26% rise in the last 30 days, trading at $21,170. Bitcoin is fluctuating around that price mark for the first time since November 2022. In addition, the liquidation of shorts on Bitcoin has set an 18-month record. According to CoinGlass, there were about $125 million liquidations registered on January 14. Thus, the total is $300 million since January 11. In 3 days, the total altcoin liquidation was nearly $775 million. Dylan Leckler, senior analyst at UTXO Management, noted that this was their highest daily level since mid-2021. Over the past couple of days, analysts have noticed that Bitcoin showed some signs of crossing the $19,000 mark after the stock began trading in the US. However, it was not clear whether it was a real breakthrough or manipulation. The online analytics resource Material Indicators has noted that Bitcoin mimicked the strength of Ethereum in a short period of time. A popular trader named Blunts also reported that the asset had broken through the key resistance at the 200-day moving average. My friends, write down what you think of such a powerful move of the old boy over the last week. Many were predicting a rise at the beginning of the year, but they did not count on a price mark around $21,000. I want to sincerely congratulate everyone who's recorded a profit. Let's see what analysts are predicting next. Bitcoin may record a pretty decent growth potential this year, according to Rekt Capital. The Bitcoin market went into prolonged bearish mode after an impressive bullish rise in late 2017 and early 2018. The Rekt Capital trader and analyst has also analyzed the 2019 event that triggered the bullish growth after 2020. The current Bitcoin weekly candlestick is very close to the April 2019 weekly candlestick, which confirmed the new Bitcoin bullish market. Rekt Capital has high hopes that Bitcoin can deliver higher returns than people think. They have analyzed Bitcoin's 4-year cycle with halving as the focus. According to them, 2023 is the final deadline for the bottom candlestick. In the current Bitcoin cycle, 2023 is the 3rd candlestick and 2024 is the 4th one. That means there should be a minimum price this year, according to the analysts. They also stated Candlestick 3, which represented this year, could still generate decent growth potential, as shown in the historical data. In 2015, which was Candlestick 3, Bitcoin was up by more than 234%. In 2019, which was another Candlestick 3, the asset was up by more than 316%. Based on that, 2023 may be a year of growth. However, Reventure Consulting founder and CEO Nick Gurley has warned that deflation could affect the market sentiment. The savings rate has just plummeted to 2.2%, the lowest level ever. That means Americans are running out of money. The last time it was that low back in 2006-07, right before the GFC. The warning of a serious recession. Expect a significant decline in consumer spending in 2023. It's a pity for the Americans, of course, but we will hope for further growth of the main cryptocurrency. Let's move on. One of the leading digital asset managers has found out that many institutional investors are confident that Ripple Labs will win its legal battle with the SEC. According to the latest weekly CoinShares report on crypto funds flow, many institutional investors have begun accumulating large volumes of XRP tokens despite strong pressure from the sellers of most leading digital assets. The report shows that these large investors have purchased $3 million worth of XRP tokens. The SEC claims that Ripple sold its XRP tokens without registering the token with the appropriate authorities, and the XRP tokens are securities. However, the management company's research shows that many investors believe that the SEC has no hard evidence to support its claims. The report states that the investment community is increasingly confident that the clarification of the Ripple litigation with the SEC will have a positive impact on the XRP price. Nevertheless, there was a massive outflow of funds from crypto asset managers' investment products last week, and the trend has not stopped since the last week of last month. The CoinShares report states, Last week, the total outflow of funds from crypto investment products amounted to $9.7 million, which once again proves that the negative sentiment towards these products has not ended, despite the fact that it began 3 weeks ago. Investment products for the number one digital asset, Bitcoin, have recorded the highest outflow. According to the report, there was $6.5 million in outflows for Bitcoin alone. Correspondingly, this points to a negative investor bias in early 2023. For comparison, Ethereum investment products had outflows of $3.1 million. These outflows of Ethereum investment products are recurring for the 8th week in a row. Despite a bullish start of the year, funds continue to flow out of our sphere. Although the amounts are not that large for the cryptocurrency market, the negative sentiment is still there. Many people are expecting an influx of large funds after Bitcoin continues to rise. Judging by the news, we can't predict the exact outcome of the dispute between Ripple and the SEC. The continuous lawsuits and counter-appeals have been going on for years, but their recent investments in XRP give us something to think about. What do you think about this situation? Will we actually be able to see the final outcome of the lawsuit between the guys? Finally, let's go over the latest news regarding Polygon. There are definitely some holders of these coins in the audience. Polygon continues to expand its presence with new partnerships as well as other strategic moves. In the recent announcement, Polygon's blockchain said it would join the world leaders at the 2023 World Economic Forum. Polygon told Twitter by explaining that it would be attending Davos, a popular city in Switzerland, known for the annual World Economic Forum. Polygon added that it would join the other global leaders to talk about the Web3 ecosystem and the benefits that blockchain technology brings to the tech industry. In addition, Polygon claims that it aims to pioneer the mass adoption of publicly available blockchain platforms and create an infrastructure that has significant value and accessibility for as many people as possible. This move is beneficial to Polygon as it continues to gain popularity around the world. Performing at the summit could also help the network gain even more recognition and popularity in traditional financial markets. It will be exciting to observe the value of the token in the first quarter of this year. Perhaps we'll see some decent growth. Polygon has some hopes for the DeFi market in 2023, especially for the Polygon blockchain. The CEO of Polygon Labs predicts that some projects, including Lido, will be widely discussed in the coming month. My friends, that's all we have. Thanks for watching. Don't forget that we also have our Telegram channel, which is in the description below the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and of course like this video. Make money!